I got another unboxing video, and this time I've got Treatbox, so I've left the packaging on to show you what it looks like as it comes through the letterbox. So Treatbox is a little bit different to the other unboxings I do on my channel. This is my third box, I believe, maybe fourth, I'm not sure. I started receiving it in the summer and I loved it. So if you're new to Treatbox and you want to know more, then carry on watching. But if you've seen it before, and as always, if you want to skip forward, I will add that timestamp down below so you can skip forward to actually seeing what I receive in this box. Treatbox is a little bit different. It's a lifestyle, beauty, craft, jewellery. I'm trying to think now of all the items I've had. A bit of a mixture, but they've always got a theme and it is beautiful. The box costs £12 a month if you opt for the subscription, or one-off boxes are £12.95. You can go for 3, 6 and 12 months, and shipping is free in the UK, but they also do worldwide shipping as well. I'm not sure the costs of that, but click on the show more, that'll bring up the description and all links to this box, including any discount codes that I can find online. I will put that down below as well. So you do get quite a good mix in here. Now, as you can see, the box is quite small, but there's usually about 6, 7 items, I think. We've had pillowcases or cushion cases, we've had wax melts, we've had stationery. It's a good mix, it's lovely, really, really lovely. And for the price, I think it's really, really good. So I was excited to get this month. So I didn't get last month's because I left it too late, but it's a sort of subscription. I wanted to carry on receiving it to see what it's like before I make up my mind if I want to opt for a monthly subscription. So I've been getting the one-off boxes. Now you can purchase past boxes on their website as well. So if you go onto a website, they'll show you a list of all the boxes that are available, which is good. And you get to see what they look like as well, which is good. So if you're thinking of taking out the subscription, then you'll have an idea of past boxes and what you might receive in future boxes, if that makes sense. So let's open it up. Okay. Oopsie. So this is what it looks like. There's a leaflet here, and on the back it's got a November calendar, which is pretty, and then it tells you all about the products that are inside this box, so I'll refer to that as we go along. So that's what it looks like inside. It's beautifully packaged and it says with love. Oh my gosh, okay. Oh oh wow. All right, so that's the contents of November's Treatbox. Oh my word, there's loads of stuff in there. Having a peek, little eyes over the top looking, I can see in the camera. Right, oh, flipping Nora! I poked my eyes with tweezers earlier on when I was trying to put my lashes on, and now I'll whack myself with the box. Right, I am a bit kiffed, I know. I'll put the box to the side of me and I'll grab an item and show you. So let's go back to this leaflet, and what's it say here? Inside your November box, it's your time to take 5 away from everything and enjoy unwrapping your box. She closed her eyes and just like that she was free. And it just goes on to say that if you receive this box yourself, make sure to take a photo and put it on like social media, Instagram or Facebook or Twitter, and you could be in for a chance of winning the following month's box. And I forgot to say as well that these boxes come out super fast, so they come out like the 1st or 2nd of every month. I'm not sure the date that you need to order, but I do believe I only ordered this box right at the end of October, so it came a day or two afterwards. Really, really quick. It's just I haven't had a chance to upload it until now. But enough of me blabbing on, let's get to the contents. So the first item, and I can't wait to see these, it's a pair of socks. Joe Cool, free size, a cotton rich socks. They've got gorgeous, is it polar bears? Yeah, polar bears on a rock with some stars and some, what's that, shooting stars maybe? Oh, really nice and stretchy. I love socks, but I generally don't wear socks. If I do, I steal my husband's, and I wear odd socks all the time. But to have my own pair of socks is brilliant, and I am chuffed because now it's coming up to winter. I do need to wear socks because I don't want to put bare feet in boots. That's not good. I'm aware I'm talking quite a lot in this video, so I apologise. Hold on. So what's it say here? You've got to keep your feet warm and toasty when it's cold outside. We have the most adorable pair of socks to make any night in the coziest. Recommended retail price for these are £4.50. So no chuff to that. Next item, the Kiwi iPads. Can you see them? So the little slices, and you put them on your eyes. They're Korean eye pads, and they're by the brand of Vitamasks. So the information in the book says that this costs £3.99. It says kiwi is so cooling and nourishing, the ultimate soothing remedy to keep your eyes fresh and moisturised from a day battling the elements. So no, I love that. Next, we've got Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Brave and beautiful is what you are. Time to make a wish. Close your eyes, tie the bracelet on your wrist. When the bracelet breaks in two, your wish will come true. Oh, I quite like that. Normally, I'm not a huge fan of little dainty bracelets like this. Some of them in the past in other boxes, they've been a little bit too young for me. Hold on, let me take this out because it's reflecting, isn't it? I love the grey thong and the rose gold. I think that's really pretty. Really, really nice. Let's take it off. Fortunately for me, as some of you may know, I've got a 12-year-old daughter, so anything I don't want, she has. There, can you see that there? That is really pretty. Really nice. I've done it wrong now. I'm gonna have to tie it properly, look. I can't go around with that hanging like that. Quite nice, I like that. So that's our third item. Oh, what's the information say? Say, I'm not with it today, I'm not with it. Right, so the recommended retail price for this is £6.50. Our brand new rose gold bracelet. We love the sentiment, twinkle, twinkle, little star, brave and beautiful is what you are. And it's actually, I forgot to say, it's actually made by the Treatbox. They do make a lot of the things themselves. We've had lots of stationery as well over the last couple of months, so there's always items in there made actually by Treatbox. On to our next item. Oh, we got some colouring pencils, but I've also seen that we've got a Treatbox colouring book. So we've got a colouring book and pencils, and those pencils look lovely. Really, really nice. Can you see there? Hopefully you can, and it's not too reflective. Those are the colours there. Oh, loads there, isn't there? The autumn season is set in, so sit back, relax and unwind in your cozies with the Treatbox colouring book companion. Be drawn into the autumn season while sitting in the comfort of your own home. Having you time away from technology is a must, so grab a hot drink, turn on some music and get colouring. That's exactly what I do. I haven't done it for a long, long while. When I was doing my counselling degree, I did a lot of it because it helped me relax, because I had to write journals. And I found it quite hard to actually sit down and write my diary journals then, just like that. So I found like doing some colouring first, listening to some music relaxed me, and then I felt that I was able to write a good flow of journaling, if that's weird. Anyway, so these are the pictures inside. And oh, I like that one. What's that one? That's pretty, like a reef. We are super proud to share with you our Treatbox colouring book. Every single illustration has been drawn by our fair hands, our own fair hands, and we only have a lovely vision of you, embellishing yours with colour whilst relaxing with a cuppa, with your socks on, of course. The recommended retail price for this book is £6. Now, personally, I think that's a bit pricey because I have gone into like places like The Works, and you can get proper thick books, you know, with hundreds of pages in for about £5-6. So this is only like a mini book, so I think it's a little bit pricey. I don't think I would personally go out and buy that. I love it and I'm really happy I've got it in the box, but I do think that price is a little bit overpriced. I don't know, what do you think? What do you think? But anyway, onto these, and what's it say here? You can't colour your book without some colour. That's okay, we've got that covered with our pack of beautiful colouring pencils. Recommended retail price for this is £4. See, I think maybe the prices would have been better if they were the other way around. These were £6 and these were £4 or something along those lines maybe. But no, really, really happy with those. It gives me a push to actually sit down and do some colouring in. We've got 2 items left, and the next one is a familiar subscription boxes. Now, I've only had this once, but I know they have been going around a few subscription boxes over the last year. And it's a sleep mask, and this is what they look. It's a space one, isn't it? Spacemasks.com Interstellar Relaxation. Now, I had one of these recently and I absolutely loved it. I've got Birchbox on the way this month, and I know that we're going to get one of these inside there as well. So I think I'll pop that in a stocking filler for my daughter, and I'll keep the other one for myself when I receive it. So no, they're lovely, really, really lovely. Interstellar Relaxation Masks by Spacemasks.com. It will keep your skin glowing, hydrated and fresh. And we can take a little minute to appreciate the packaging too. It's so beautiful. We love everything decorated with stars. It will keep your skin glowing, hydrated and fresh. Huh? It's a heat mask. The little pouch contains a self-heating eye mask which will transport you to another dimension, relieving tiredness, eye strain and many other earthly tensions. The warmth comes alive as soon as you open it, so make sure you're fully reclined and ready for liftoff. Yeah, that's what it is. And I know I've got dyslexia, and I know that words are all jumbled up for me sometimes, and I do find it hard to work out which item is for what description. But no, it definitely says it will keep your skin glowing, hydrated and fresh. Obviously an error there, but never mind, I'm really happy with that. So I'll pop that one in my daughter's stocking. So the last item is a print. Now we always get a little print, and these are lovely to put like in a frame to stick on your wall. So this is Hug or Hooga. Hooga. It's got it written there. Hooga. Hooga, hugger? No, Hygge. An atmosphere of warmth, well-being and coziness when you feel at peace and able to enjoy simple pleasures and being in the moment. So has it got any information about this here? But no, it doesn't have a, sorry, I'm showing you a blank page. It doesn't have a price on it, but I'm sure that they had prices on these in past boxes. I can't remember now. I think because I missed last month, I'm a little bit out of loop with what is going on with the box. But nevertheless, I hope you're enjoying it and you're still watching. Thank you. I'll just gather all the items together. So these are all the items. There's 7 items in all. So we've got a pair of socks, we've got the sleep mask, we've got a wall print, we've got some pencils, we've got a colouring book, we've got some iPads, and we've got the bracelet that I'm wearing on my wrist there. So altogether, these items come to around £29–30. So I paid £12.95 as a one-off box. But if it was a subscription, it would have been £12. So it's way above the cost, or the value is way above the cost of the actual box. I really like this box. It hasn't disappointed me, in all honesty. Every single treat box I've had, I've been really happy with. I think for the value as well. You've got some great items here. I love socks. I absolutely love socks, even though I hardly wear them. And they're odd, but I do love getting them. And yeah, so I will definitely wear them. And the sleep mask, the bracelet, yeah, it's all really nice. And I love the concept of the colouring book. And you've got the pens as well, or pencils. So no, really, really happy. So as always, I'd love to know what your thoughts are. Do you think this is a great box? Do you think it's overpriced? Do you think it's good value for money? All your opinions I'd love to read. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.